مرحبا عزيزتي الأم، مرحبا أعزائي التلاميذ والتلميذات طلاب اللغة العربية. Welcome in the first class Arabic language. First, I want to tell you that I tried to give a lot of volunteers tutoring and teaching Arabic grammar more than 10 years, and I love it. I really doing amazing with children when I teach them Arabic. That's why I decided to do this on my channel, just to explain to you. I know all of you are going to Arabic school and learning. I'm going to learn you in a new way. It will make you love this language, which I call it smiley language. It's really, for many years, make me smile when I teach Arabic. So today we have the first lesson. First, if you born in the West, in Canada for example, your mother language will be English and French. That's why I'm going to teach you in English while I'm speaking and explaining, and sometimes I'm going to use Arabic. The first lesson, we will learn letters. You know how to sing ABC in English and in French. Today we will sing it in Arabic. So the first letter we will learn, you know that A is the first letter in English, and Alif would be the first letter in Arabic. In Arabic, you see the shape when you draw the letter like a long stick or even like a pencil. So it's straight line. This is Alif. In Arabic language, we have a lot of symbols. I like to call it the hat of the letters. You know, some people, they wear hat, they wear hijab. So the letter in Arabic, they wear a cover or a hat. They call it haraka. Haraka, it means emotion, or you can call it symbol that give the tone and the tuning in the word. When you see haraka on the letter, you can recognize this word as a noun or a verb, singular or plural. So today we will learn the letter A or Alif with 3 type of symbols: Fatha and Dhamma and Kasra. So now when you write the letter Alif, it's a stick, straight line with Fatha, A. You can put a small symbol here, they call it Hamza. When you say Ahmad, when you say Ajmal, so this is the Hamza and this is Fatha, A. Now when you put Dhamma, the second symbol or Haraka, Dhamma, U. And this is the Hamza, U. Like you say Usama, Usama, U. And the third one with Kasra. When you put Kasra, you have to put Hamza down the letter and then Kasra. E, E. So you have letter Alif with Fatha, A, letter Alif with Dhamma, U, and letter Alif with Kasra, E. Later on, we will have some examples, words. Now, you can do extra Fatha and you can do extra dhamma and kasra. This is, we call it tanween fatha, and this one tanween kasra. So this is an, in. You see the tone and the tuning is different. Again, we have a, we have u, we have e, and we have an, and we have in. Okay, again, alif with fatha a, alif with dhamma u, alif with kasra e, and we have tanween fatha and tanween kasra. Thank you. This one, the first part of the lesson. Now we want to learn the second letters after alif. When you have three shape are similars, but they have different dot. This one, the shape of letter ba. This is the second letter in alphabet. So you start from the top to the down here, and then go like this from right to left, ba. Now the second one, also from the top to the down, then go from right to left with two dots here, ta. So this is ba, this is ta. The third one, also the same shape from right to left with the three dots. This is tha. So we have three brothers here. They look similar. Ba, ta, tha. You have to do it by, later on we will write it in the skatebook or in the notebook. You have to practice it a lot. That's why you can draw by ruler first, arrow from top to the bottom, then from right to left, and then put the dot. The ba down, the ta, two dot in the top, and then the tha, three dot in the top. We will take examples. Now, here for letter alif, what is this? This is zurar. Zurar. This is alif. Zurar. This is what? أثقال. أثقال. You have to practice one letter with the three words so you become better with Arabic. زرار, أثقال, سيارة. سيارة. Now we will practice letter B. Ba. So we have here ba with fatha ba. Ba with dhamma bu. Ba with kasra b. And also we have with tanween fatha, but we have to put it on alif, ban. And we have bin, tanween kasra. We will learn التنوين later. The most important now letters with فتحة and ضمة and كسرة. باء فتحة باء، باء ضمة بو، باء كسرة بي. The more you practice, the better you learn. باء فتحة باء، باء ضمة بو، باء كسرة بي. The more practice, the better. Now we have some word with B. This is بندق. Nuts in English. بندق. So the ba here in the beginning. Now this one is طبل. Ba here in the middle. طبل. طبل. This one we call it سكون. When you have سكون, so there is no فتحة, no ضمة, no كسرة. There is no tuning here. طبل. And here is أرنب. فتحة. أرنب. Rabbit. You have to practice 3 words with the letters. The more practice, the better. Now we have letter ta, the second brother. So ta is with 2 dots. Ta فتحة تا. تا ضمة 2. تا كسرة تي. And we can also have تنوين with 2 فتحة and with 2 ضمة and with 2 كسرة. tin. ten, ton, tin. تا 2 تي. 10 ton, tin. And we have with سكون. سكون, it means there is no حركة, no symbols. The more practice, the better. تا فتحة تا. تا ضمة 2. تا كسرة تي. تا فتحة تنوين تن. تون. tin. You can hear it like a music, you know. When we practice it with word, you can recognize the music. Ta, 2, T, 10, tun, tin. And with sukun, it means there is no haraka. Again, ta, 2. You can see my hand from right to left. In Arabic letters, you write from right to left. 10, tun, tin. And with sukun, it means there is no haraka. Now we have these 3 pictures. We will write the word with letter T or ta. So we have the first one, عنكبوت، تفاحة، توت. So we will write the first one. عنكبوت، عنكبوت with two ضمة، عنكبوت. تفاحة، تفاحة. And then توت، توت. So you can see here ta, when you write ta in the last of the word or in the end of the word, it would be like this. Like, you can call it a boat. And here in the beginning, it looked like a chair. Ta, tu, tufaha. And here you see it in the beginning and in the end. So here it's look like a chair, tutun. And here it's look like a boat. Now to practice this third brother of them, letter tha. Like you saying thamara or thamir. So from right to the left with the 3 dot. ثاء فتحة ثاء، ثاء ضمة ثو، ثاء كسرة ثي. This is the main حركة، فتحة ضمة كسرة، ثاء ثو ثي. Now we can write it with تنوين. ثن، ثن and thin. تو كسرة. Again. ثاء فتحة ثاء، ثاء ضمة ثو، ثاء كسرة ثي. Then with تنوين ثن، ثن، thin. Later when we study the grammar, we will know when to use فتحة and when to use ضمة and when to use كسرة. Grammar is the most important in Arabic language. Now we have some word here. The first word, ثور. So you will start with letter ثاء. ثاء, it look like a chair in the beginning. ثور. ثور. ثوب. It means dress. ثوب. ثوب. And ثمار. It means fruits. ثمار. Here with كسرة. ثمار. For today we have enough. Next lesson we will have another letter. Thank you.